Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is on the human drama. Well, I've just been furloughed, should I say, furloughed, yeah. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. Well, this COVID-19 hasn't gotten me medically, but it just nailed me financially. Well, I've officially been let go from my job. After 15 years, I just went over physically on the 30th. And this is now the 2nd of June, 2020. Well, they let quite a few go today. And we're on a permanent furlough, I guess you'd consider it. And then after the 26th of June, if nothing changes, we will be officially terminated from the company. So, waking up this morning, going to work, never thought in my wildest dreams I'd been let go from my job without me walking out retirement-wise. I'll be 60 on the 25th. And I was going to give it another 24 months. So when I turn 62, I'm going to officially retire and, collect Social Security. Well, that ain't happening. I didn't get let go for, I didn't retire and say goodbye on my own. So what are you going to do? 15 years getting up every day. I had a perfect attendance. And unfortunately what happened is those that had, I guess you call it disciplinary strikes or whatever that against you, I had one. And it was due to come up in, I'd be done. I was on it for 6 months. What I did is I hit a wall on a stand-up forklift, and they considered that a strike against me because they said, "Well, if you hit a wall again in the next 6 months, we're going to take away your license." Well, it wasn't a fire situation. It was just whatever they want to call it. Monitoring or whatever. So those that had that against them, they go in levels 1 through 3, and I had a 2. You get a 3, you'll be terminated if you get another one. A level 1 is you're being monitored. So it's like a 3-strike thing. Then they'll let you go. But so they needed to clean house, and so that's the way they did it. They went by, if you had a disciplinary strike against you, then they cleaned house. So it's hard. You're not gonna, depending on what it was. That was the first time I had a freaking accident in the 15 years I've been there. 1 strike, and it came up at this time, and this is how they decided they wanted to reduce labor is use this. So there we go. You can follow my journey into retiring early. So because I don't really plan on going back to an 8-hour job. I'm done. I'm going to find 4-hour a day job, and there we go. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs. And this is under human drama.